Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of luxury and performance with the Bentley Continental GT. Now I know what you're thinking, another luxury coupe, how dull. But trust me on this one, the Continental GT is different. It's a car that embodies the very essence of a grand tourer, a car that can effortlessly eat miles while cocooning you in absolute comfort. Let's explore what makes this grand tourer a true masterpiece. Right off the bat, you'll notice this isn't your average Bentley. It's got presence, you see. This car doesn't just pull up, it arrives, and when it does, heads turn. It's the way it sits, low and wide, like a predator ready to pounce. Then there's the bodywork. Those lines flow from the muscular bonnet all the way back to the sculpted haunches. And let's not forget the iconic Matrix grille. It's big, bold, and unapologetically Bentley. Every curve, every crease, every panel has been meticulously crafted, mostly by hand. You won't find any robots here, just skilled artisans pouring their hearts into creating a masterpiece. When you're behind the wheel of a Continental GT, you don't just drive, you make a statement. Now let's step inside, shall we? And trust me, you'll want to linger here for a while. The interior of the Continental GT is nothing short of a sanctuary. The first thing you'll notice is the smell of rich, supple leather. It's everywhere you look, and it's the kind of leather that makes you want to reach out and touch it. And the seats. Hand-stitched, naturally, with more adjustment options than a pilot's cockpit. You could get lost in these seats, and frankly, I wouldn't blame you. And if you thought the leather was impressive, wait till you see the wood veneers. They're sourced from sustainable forests, of course. The wood is polished to a mirror shine, and it just oozes sophistication. But the best part? It's all customizable. You can tailor the interior to your exact specifications. The possibilities are endless, which is precisely how it should be in a car of this caliber. After all, you're not just buying a car, you're buying an experience.